Hello friends, I am Naveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel of Amazon. Today I discuss you about best solar panels in India 2021, buyer's guide and reviews. One of the most significant problems that Indians face throughout the country is power cuts. Using generators or home inverters is one way of ensuring that your office or home receives continuous power. Generators can be cumbersome to use and are noisy appliances as well. It also consumes a lot of fuel. Home inverters have their limitations, especially when it comes to managing loads. Installing a solar energy plant is an ideal solution under such circumstances. Fortunately, India is blessed with abundant sunshine, with most of the places getting more than 300 days of bright sunshine. Secondly, solar energy is available for free. Therefore, harnessing this natural source of renewable energy should be the ideal solution to the power shortage problems that India faces today. Advantages of installing a solar PV system. Installing a solar photovoltaic solar PV system can address the issue of power cuts efficiently. Here are the benefits of installing solar PV systems for generating electricity for your domestic and commercial needs. Installing a solar PV system is a one-time investment. The system requires minimal maintenance while providing a continuous supply of electricity to the household or commercial establishment. The principal raw material, i.e., sunlight, is available for free. Your solar PV system harnesses this free natural resource for producing electricity. Apart from generating electricity, this system also helps to reduce your consumption, thereby helping you to manage your electricity bills. The modern-day solar PV system can also supply electricity to the primary grid, whereby you become a generator of electricity rather than being a consumer. It helps the respective states to meet their power supply shortfall. The Government of India has introduced subsidies, thereby encouraging people to use solar energy for their electricity consumption. The household gets a continuous supply of electricity. There are provisions to store the electricity generated in a battery that is connected to a home inverter. Therefore, your dependence on the primary grid for your electricity supply reduces drastically. We highly recommend you to read the solar panel buying guide at the end of the article to get in-depth knowledge about all the latest solar panel technologies. Best solar panels in India. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, and if you buy from this link, the channel will help you. Number 5 on my list, Sukhum solar panel 100 watt 12 volts. This Sukhum 100 watt solar panel is similar to the 150 watt 12 volts panel discussed above in almost all respects. The only distinguishing feature is the power output of these panels. As compared to the 150 watt output, these panels deliver an output of 100 watts. The advantage of Sukhum products is that they are durable and can perform excellently in extreme weather conditions. The aluminum frame provides excellent protection to precious solar cells. These polycrystalline solar panels are made from A+ grade anti-PID polycrystalline cells that boast of current conversion efficiency of more than 16%. Though the efficiency levels are less when compared to monocrystalline cells, these panels comply with IEC standards. When compared to monocrystalline cells, these panels require a larger area. These Sukhum panels require an area of 12 square feet. Thus, it becomes easy to set up this solar power plant on your home terrace comfortably. The 100 watt Sukhum panels are durable enough to withstand the toughest of climatic conditions. These panels come with a protective glass coating for the solar cells. These panels pass through stringent reliability and durability tests before their release in the market. The advantage of Sukhum solar panels is that they come with a 5-year manufacturer warranty that covers all physical damages. These panels are available with a 25-year performance warranty cover as well. Thus, they are one of the best solar panels in India when it comes to durability. These panels can comfortably recharge a 150Ah battery in a day. Therefore, they play a significant role in reducing your electricity bills considerably. Pros. Sukhum is a reputed name in the Indian renewable energy industry. These solar panels consistently display efficiency of more than 16%. While costing less than the monocrystalline panels, the Sukhum solar panels are equally versatile and durable. Cons. These panels do not display the same efficiency levels in cloudy and dimly lit conditions. Sukhum is a trusted Indian manufacturer of high-quality solar panels. These panels qualify as one of the best available in India in recent times. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description. Number 4 on my list, Sukhum solar panel 150 watts 12 volts. Sukhum is one of the top manufacturers of inverters and batteries in India. One can expect a high degree of efficiency in all Sukhum products. These 150-watt solar panels are no different. They come with exciting features that enable Sukhum to rank amongst the top in the field of manufacturing solar panels in India as well. When compared to monocrystalline products, the polycrystalline panels are popular because of their comparatively reduced pricing levels. The technology involved in producing these panels does not warrant precision levels as high as the monocrystalline ones. It does affect the overall efficiency, with the monocrystalline panels proving to produce more current even in low lighting conditions. However, Sukhum 150-watt 12-volt solar panels are good enough to produce an electric current in the range of 8.5 amps. These panels come with a tolerance level of ±3%. Therefore, the output wattage can fluctuate between 145 watt to 155 watt. On a sunny day, you can enjoy the advantages of positive tolerance, but you also have to contend with the negative tolerance on cloudy days. Sukhum solar panels are one of the most durable and reliable panels in the market, as they have endured stringent quality and reliability tests. These solar panels are compatible with the home inverters, especially those manufactured by Sukhum. These panels can comfortably charge a 12 volts battery bank during the day. Thus, they can provide excellent backup during the night in the event of a power outage. These polycrystalline panels come with excellent protective features like a robust aluminum frame and toughened glass to protect the solar cells. The encapsulation is also of the highest quality that is comparable to the best in the industry. Pros: Sukhum is a trusted brand name, especially in rural and semi-urban India. One of the most durable and reliable products. The product comes with a 25-year performance warranty. Cons: you need 2 solar panels to charge a 150Ah battery. Hence, the device can occupy space. Sukhum is a trusted brand with an excellent reputation in India. These panels can qualify as one of the best solar panels. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description. Number 3 on my list, Luminous 160 watts solar panel, polycrystalline 12 volts. If Loom Solar is the best monocrystalline panel manufacturer in India, Luminous can claim to be the best polycrystalline solar panel producer in the country. Efficiency-wise, the Loom Solar are the best, as they consistently display an efficiency percentage of 20%. Luminous solar panels are not far behind, with an operating efficiency of more than 16% on all their panels. Space-wise, these panels are the best as well, because they do not occupy more than 10 square feet in area. Thus, you can also set up the solar system comfortably on your terrace. These panels are capable of delivering an output voltage of 160 watts that should be enough to charge a 12 volts battery bank comfortably. It can prove to be strong support for powering your household electrical appliances during a power cut situation. The panels are made from A+ grade anti-PID polycrystalline cells and can charge a lead-acid tubular battery comfortably during the day. This 160 watt panel generates peak electricity of 8.7 amps when the sun is at its peak. As it complies with IEC standards, Luminous 160 watt 12 volt solar panels are highly reliable in their performance. The company offers an incredible warranty of up to 25 years on the product. Hence, it is a lifetime investment at the most reasonable prices. Pros: the cell conversion efficiency of 16% is excellent for a polycrystalline panel. The performance warranty of 25 years can attract people to opt for this brand. The company advertises a high current output of up to 8.7 amps on a sunny day. Cons: the polycrystalline cells show less durability than the monocrystalline cells. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 2 on my list, Loom Solar 180 watt 12 volts monocrystalline panel pack of 2. Loom Solar manufactures a range of solar panels in the 24 volts and 12 volts category. These 12 volts panels are as efficient as the 24 volts panels that we have discussed earlier. Loom solar panels are one of the most durable solar panels in the country. Because of the 3.2 mm toughened glass that protects the monocrystalline solar cells. These panels can bear rough winds along with heavy snowfall and rainfall as well. The water and dust-proof junction boxes are also one of the best available in the market. The IP68 certification is ample proof of the durability of the junction box. On the versatility front, these panels are the best in the business because these 12 volts panels are perfect for 12 volts battery charging. They can also be used for charging 24 volts or 48 volts batteries by placing multiple solar panels in series. These panels are the best when it comes to charging grid-tied applications. The 40-inch cables that come with MC4 connectors are the sturdiest of the lot. They ensure that there is no electrical leak at any stage. The pre-installed diodes present in the junction box are one of the most reliable components that come along with these panels. On the performance front, these 12-volt solar panels are as good as any with an open circuit voltage figure of 23.26 volts and a maximum operating current of 9.03 amps. The ISC factor is 9.31 amps. These 180 watts 12-volt solar panels are made from a grade black silicon cells to generate the maximum electricity from the sun. Reports say that these panels can deliver an efficiency of 20% as they perform admirably in low lighting conditions. These monocrystalline panels come with 5 busbars and 36 cells. The anti-rust aluminum frame makes these solar panels one of the sturdiest in the segment. The company recognizes the durability and thereby offers a maximum warranty of 25 years on this product. Pros: the 9 amp current generation is one of the best in the industry, high efficiency, reliable and durable product. Cons: some customers have complained of poor after-sales service despite being costly when compared to polycrystalline panels. These Loom solar panels are some of the most efficient products in its segment. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description. Number 1 on my list, Loom Solar 375 watt 24 volts monocrystalline panel pack of 2. Loom Solar is one of the top solar panel manufacturers in India. Besides being an efficient device, the Loom solar panels are one of the most durable solar panels in the country. Versatility: these panels are the most versatile of the lot as they are perfect for charging 24 volts batteries. The positive aspect is that you can place multiple panels in series for 24 and 48 volt battery charging. Durability: these panels can withstand heavy rains, hailstorms and snowfall. The panels have a layer of aluminium to provide additional support, thereby enabling it to last for decades. The highlight of these panels is the durable 3.2 mm toughened glass. The aluminium frame ensures to remove rust formation out of the equation, thereby making these panels one of the most durable in the market. Compatibility: these solar panels work well with both the on-grid and off-grid inverters. Performance: on the performance front, the Loom solar panels tower over the competition with a conversion efficiency of 19%. Reliability: the junction boxes in these panels come equipped with a pair of 1M wire and an MC4 connector. This combination makes it one of the most solid panels in town. This Loom solar panel, made with mono-PERC cells, can work in low light and cloudy weather. As well, these cells, made of a grade anti-PID cells, present the best in monocrystalline technology. These panels come with 5 busbars and 72 cells. The components include an IP67 certified junction box with an MC4 connector for higher efficiency. Pros: good quality because of its higher efficiency and durability levels, capable of running a home inverter, excellent performance even on cloudy days. Cons: Loom solar panels are one of the best solar panels available in India today because of the high degree of efficiency. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.